In this video, we'll explore 20 exciting manufacturing business ideas that can fully utilize your engineering skills if you're an engineer with a passion for coming up with creative solutions. Number 1. 3D printing services that provide customized 3D printing for prototypes, small production runs, and unique products. Number 2. Renewable energy products, such as manufacturing solar panels, wind turbines, or components for renewable energy systems. Number 3. Automation equipment that designs and produces automation machinery and robotics for various industries. Number 4. Medical devices that develop and manufacture medical equipment and devices such as prostheses or diagnostic equipment. The 5th, products for smart homes makes smart home appliances, such as home automation gadgets, security systems, and lights. The 6th company that manufactures electric car parts and components is that of batteries and charging stations. 7th, recycling of plastic, establishing a plant to turn waste plastic into items that can be used. The 8th, bespoke machinery manufacturer creates specialized machinery for niche industries. The 9th, agricultural equipment manufacturer creates innovative farming equipment to boost production. And the 10th, manufacturer produces eco-friendly packaging made of biodegradable materials. Building materials that are sustainable and innovative, like prefabricated building components or insulated panels, are the subject of solution number 11. Number 12, wearable technology. Creating and producing wearable technology devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, create systems for water filtration for industrial, commercial, and domestic use. Number 13. Creating vital electronic components such as circuit boards, sensors, and microchips is number 14, electronic components. Number 15, designing and producing innovative workout and fitness equipment. Number 16, manufacturing drones for a variety of uses, such as delivery and surveillance in agriculture. Manufacturing of furniture is service. Number 17, develop smart and ergonomic furniture for homes and offices. Number 18, renewable energy storage solutions, which produce batteries and other forms of renewable energy storage. Number 19, precision machining, which provides precision machining services to industries needing high-precision components. And number 20, food processing equipment, which manufactures machinery for the food processing industry, including packaging and processing equipment. Keep in mind that the execution, commitment, and constant innovation are the keys to success. If any of these ideas struck a chord with you, don't hesitate to pursue them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other engineers, and subscribe to our channel for more business advice and ideas. Don't be afraid to take the next step and start planning your business today.